Marysville School District. This is a really special day. My name is Jody Runyon, Director of Engagement and Outreach for the Marysville School District. And I am here with a group of very empowering women from the Soroptimist and the YMCA. And what they are doing here today is bringing girls together from our schools to come together to help girls make a difference in the world. So I'm going to let each of these ladies introduce themselves today and tell us a little bit about why they're here, what they are doing, what the students are doing, and then we'll also capture some of the students as well.
For the Jeopardy world? Okay.
Well, my name is Renee James. I am with the Marysville Soroptimist and one of the mentors of Girls of Promise at Cedar Crest Middle School.
And my name is Lynn Munson, and I've been mentoring with Girls of Promise probably about 6 years now.
And I'm Tammy Cox. I work at the YMCA. I'm the team director, and I've worked here for many years.
And I'm Tina Hudon, and I'm also with the Soroptimists of Marysville.
And my name is Amanda Bingham. I am also with Soroptimist International of Marysville, and this is our first year of S Club in the high schools. It's all of our high schools together, and we've really worked with the We program. We participated in We Scare Hunger, doing a pie drive. We did We Volunteer Now with a blood drive in the fall. They will be selling Rafiki bracelets for We Are Rafikis to help give money back to the women who actually make them and help them raise funds, and many other projects. And we will also be participating in We Walk for Water, which will be open to the community, so please come out and join us.
This is my first year as a mentor with the Girls of Promise at Cedar Crest, and it's been a great experience bringing these girls and helping them with leadership skills and working together.
We had a couple of local police officers come and share, and the girls asked a lot of great questions to the officers. It was very good for the girls to have that connection with our local officers, and we appreciate Officer Fox and Sergeant Spar coming to join us today.
And so today we brought the girls in to work with their global project, which is We Walk for Water. And so they had a speaker from We come in, and they're kind of strategizing right now and moving forward on their project, which invited them to We Day.
Same school.
As you can see, these women are engaging and inspiring our young ladies to go out and change the world. A matter of fact, they had a special speaker today to talk with the girls about We Day, and the messages that he shared were of hope and promise, and that they can change the world. So we are so very thankful to our special partners, the Soroptimist and the YMCA, for helping to make a difference in the lives of our children. And the speaker, there's a quote I'd like to share from him that he told the students. He said, "I don't care what you care about, just care and make a difference in the world."